This is what you've been looking for. A 4-in-1 AI tool that can create videos, avatars, text-to-speech, and copywriting for free. Hi, welcome back to my Tech Tutorial Everywhere channel. Today, I will review a free AI tool that can generate video, text-to-speech, and copywriting. This video is divided into 5 parts. In Part 1, I will give you a short introduction to this tool. In Part 2, we will test the video generator feature. In Part 3, we will test the copywriting tool. In Part 4, we will test the text-to-speech feature. And in the last part, I will show you a 14-character demo in 14 different languages. So let's get started.
To start using this AI tool for free, go to the Creato AI website. You can find the link in this video description. Register using your email or Gmail. After finishing registration, go to the AI tool page. Currently, you can use their AI video generator, including avatars, AI copywriting tool, and AI text dubbing or text-to-speech. They also have an AI tool for creating customizable AI avatars, but it's not available yet. First, let's try their AI video and avatar generator. Go to the AI tool dashboard and select the Oral Broadcast Video Creation menu. Select your language, voice character tone, and language style. You can use their AI copywriting for generating text content for your video. In this example, I will use my own text. After that, click the audition button to listen to the audio results.
If you want to learn more about AI for free, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and new content.
If you're satisfied with the voice, you can continue to select your AI avatar model. They have many different models and separate them into US and Europe, Asian, Japan and Korea, Southeast Asia, India and Middle East. Select your preferred model and click the Generate Video button to start rendering your video. Here is the resulting video.
If you want to learn more about AI for free, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and new content.
You can download video, subtitle, and audio for free. Now let's try their free AI copywriting tool. From the AI tool homepage, click the AI Marketing Copy Generation menu. Enter your target keyword and explain what you want to create in the text description section. After that, select your target language and select the maximum amount of text. Click the Generate Copy button to start generating your marketing content. Select the best result and click the Copy button to copy the result. Now let's try their free text-to-speech AI. From the AI tool homepage, click the AI text dubbing. Select your language, character tone, and paste your text into the text content section. You can also use the built-in AI copywriting for content creation. Click the audition button to listen to your audio preview.
Looking to boost your business through social media? Look no further than our top-notch social media marketing service.
After you're satisfied with the result, click the Confirm button and download your audio file.
If you want to learn more about AI for free, be sure to subscribe to How to in 5 Minutes channel for regular updates and new content.
Si quieres aprender más sobre inteligencia artificial de forma gratuita, asegúrate de suscribirte a nuestro canal para recibir actualizaciones y nuevo contenido regularmente.
Se você quer aprender mais sobre inteligência artificial de graça, certifique-se de se inscrever em nosso canal para receber atualizações e novos conteúdos regularmente.
यदि आप मुफ्त में AI के बारे में और अधिक जानना चाहते हैं, तो नियमित अपडेट और नया सामग्री के लिए हमारे चैनल की सदस्यता लें।
যদি আপনি মুফতে এআই সম্পর্কে আরও জানতে চান, তবে নিরাপদভাবে নতুন সামগ্রী এবং নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।
如果您想免费学习更多关于人工智能的知识，请务必订阅我们的频道，以获取定期更新和新内容。
Если вы хотите узнать больше о искусственном интеллекте бесплатно, не забудьте подписаться на наш канал, чтобы получать регулярные обновления и новый контент.
無料で AI について学びたい場合は、定期的な更新と新しいコンテンツのためにチャンネルを購読してください。
Si vous souhaitez en savoir plus sur l'IA gratuitement, assurez-vous de vous abonner à notre chaîne pour recevoir des mises à jour régulières et de nouveaux contenus.
Wenn Sie kostenlos mehr über AI lernen möchten, abonnieren Sie unbedingt unseren Kanal, um regelmäßige Updates und neuen Inhalt zu erhalten.
Se vuoi imparare di più sull'AI gratuitamente, assicurati di iscriverti al nostro canale per aggiornamenti regolari e nuovi contenuti.
AI에 대해 무료로 더 배우고 싶으시다면 정기적인 업데이트와 새로운 콘텐츠를 위해 저희 채널을 구독해주세요.
إذا كنت ترغب في تعلم المزيد عن الذكاء الاصطناعي بشكل مجاني، تأكد من الاشتراك في قناتنا لتلقي التحديثات والمحتوى الجديد بانتظام.
Ayo dukung Juminten jadi Presiden Indonesia tahun 2024. Kalau gak mau ya minimal subscribe channel inilah.
Eğer ücretsiz olarak ağ hakkında daha fazla bilgi edinmek istiyorsanız, düzenli güncellemeler ve yeni içerikler için kanalımıza abone olmayı unutmayın.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye!